Let's just talk quickly about synthetic insulin a little bit more here. So there's the very rapid and rapid acting insulin. These are your meal helpers. They act fast to handle the sugar that we eat. There's the short and immediate, which is kind of like a bridge. It's the gap between meal times, especially. It's useful for steadier coverage. Then you have the long and ultra long acting. These are like your baseline support. They give steady insulin all day and sometimes at night too, with minimal peaks. Then you have your pre-mixed, which is a combination of different insulin types in one dose. So kind of done for simplicity and convenience. So let's look at the insulin your body makes and the synthetic or manufactured insulin. So your insulin made naturally by your beta cells are released in perfect amounts and timing. Synthetic insulin, of course, is lab made, it's injected, and it can't mimic the timing as precisely. It would be up to you when you inject yourself. Now, there's variations like fast acting, long acting, as we talked about just a few seconds ago. The synthetic insulin may work, but it never solves the root problem.